one of Anchorage and Eagle River's most popular subdivision. It's located in the Eagle River Valley area, and it has wonderful panoramic views of the mountains, Eagle River itself, and has some nice gently sloping lots that accommodate two-story or ranch-style homes with walkout lower levels. CY Investments has been in the residential development business for the past 10 years, and Eagle Crossing is one of our long-term developments. We like Eagle Crossing because it's a walking community and it serves a lot of different populations. We have homes from $500,000 to more duplex condominiums and zero lot line properties. The soils are excellent and everyone enjoys the view. Every year in the fall we evaluate what our market conditions are and what type of property and lots that we think buyers are going to want in the spring, and it takes us about 9 months to go ahead in the planning process before we can actually break ground. This subdivision, as you can see, is almost finished now. We have the water and sewer in, the road bed is in. We're waiting for the paver to come in and put in the pavement and the curbs and gutter, and then we'll record the plat, and this property will be ready to be sold to builders and or private parties so that they can build their home. We have uphill lots, we have downhill lots, and down at the corner we have a couple of flat lots as well. This is a nice private development. The road is private and it ends at a cul-de-sac, and we have 22 lots, and this is the phase that we have developed for the year 2011. Next year, this fall, we'll be looking at what we should be doing for the year 2012.